Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, Sir Dang. I'm Wynnes Grandis from Entrepreneurship. I'm going to present about an issue question regarding are luxury things worth buying? So this is my Google form. It have the introduction, the participant age, their gender, female or male, and then my issue question that I choose, are luxury item worth buying? With the answer yes and no, and then why you choose the answer. So here is the result. Are luxury item worth buying? And I got 32 responses, and 68.8% of them say yes, and 31.3% of them say no. So here is the highlight of my Google form. For the answer, most people say that expensive item equals quality. Yeah, because sometimes expensive item use a better material or a high quality material to make it. So yeah, and then for the no answer, because there are still many cheap item and gave the same quality as expensive item. Next. So this is my other responses that I gather. If the point of buying expensive stuff is to show off, then the answer is no, because it is better to buy something as needed. Yeah, I don't think it is necessary to show something off because that's not a good attitude or good doing. Yeah, and then the second one, as a reward for my hard work. Yeah, I think this is true because because when you work on something that is really hard, that you sacrifice your blood, sweat, and tears into it, I think it's really, really good to buy something expensive as a real reward for your hard works because everybody like to be rewarded. If and then the third one, if you have the money, I think it's fine to buy luxury item. Yeah, everyone have their own right, and if you could afford luxury item, then go ahead. I cannot stop you. And then the fourth one, because it sometimes it has no use, and if it can be used, I think it's not worth it since you can buy the cheaper one. Yeah, sometimes the more expensive or luxury item is not give the same or good quality as the cheaper one. Maybe it's long lasting, but for the use, maybe or sometimes the cheaper one is better. And then the fifth one, some expensive item can be used for investment. Yeah, this is I think this is a good idea because for some for for example like gold, I think it's last year it's 60 million for 100 gram, and this year it's 70 million for 100 grams. Yeah, I think it's good for investment like gold. And then the sixth one, because the money used to buy expensive item can be used to buy things that are more useful. Yeah, I don't think it's okay to buy something that are really expensive. You don't really need it, but when you buy it, it's just a waste of money. So thank you for listening to my presentation. I hope you have a good day.